Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to activate an EE SIM card. Pop the SIM into your device. Activate your new SIM. You only need to do this if you have upgraded and been sent a new SIM or ordered a new one because your old one no longer fitted your device. Wait for a signal and the EE symbol to appear on your screen. This can take up to 24 hours but is usually much quicker, and you're all set up. They won't even send an activation text, just a few network updates. If you are using an Apple device, you may also need to refresh iMessage so it connects with the right number. Just go to Settings, then Messages. Turn iMessage off, wait 10 seconds, and turn iMessage on again. Go to Settings, then Phone, and make sure My Number shows your correct mobile number. Tap My Number and type in your correct number if the above steps don't work. You will only need to activate your SIM if you have upgraded and been sent a new SIM, ordered a new SIM because your old one was the wrong size for your device. If that is you, they will ask 3 things. The reason you've got a new SIM is your current phone number, so they can text you a security PIN. The serial number of your new SIM, you can find this on the back of the SIM or under the barcode on the letter they sent with your new SIM, and that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.